I'm always in the top shit. Box seats, bitch, fuck the gossip. How many of them could've did it with finesse? Now everybody like she really is the best. You played checkers, couldn't beat me playing chess. Now I'm about to turn around and beat my chest. Bitch is King Kong, yes, this King Kong. Bitch is King Kong, this is King Kong. Chinese ink.
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am MinajRun Belize, and I post new videos every Monday and every Friday at 6. So yeah guys, I have this little set of paints. It's black, white, green, blue, yellow, and red. So I'm not sure what look I could create with these. And this is water paints, guys. I've used this like once when I was doing something in school, and ever since then I had it and I hadn't used it. So I guess today's gonna be the day that I'll use this again. So yeah. So this is something new for me. I never played with paint due to the fact that I'm not an artist. So we're gonna find out today if this is gonna be like an epic fail, or if it's gonna be like a pause. Honestly, I think it's gonna be an epic fail because it's really liquidy, guys. Like, it's really liquidy. So with that said, guys, if you want to see me try to create or attempt to create something with this, keep on watching and hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button, guys. So the first thing I'll try to do is my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the darkest, the black. So I'm gonna do the other eyebrow off camera, and then we're gonna conceal it. Okay guys, so the eyebrows are a complete fail. I don't like them. But overall, guys, to me the eyebrows are a fail. If you disagree, comment down below. So now let's start the eyes. Okay guys, so I'm really up close and personal. I'll be using the yellow and the red. I'm gonna try to create something unique. To apply the paint, I'll be using these little ear swabs to apply. Fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up in the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing look like the dot. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. Rock star, 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 rock star. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this sit and I'm gonna be right back. Guys, so I'm back, and as you guys can see, it's setting. So the red is dried up, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of that red just to give it more an intense color. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. Rock star, 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 rock star. Okay guys, so the first eye is about almost done, so I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay guys, as you guys can see, the two eyes are done. I'm just letting them sit because they're still wet. So I used these little air swab, whatever you call them, cotton, whatever, and I used them to apply the paint. So I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna be right back. So guys, my eyeshadow, well, I don't know what you want to call this, but my eyes are done. So I'm gonna go quickly do my base off camera, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, so I added a little highlight, and I did my base. I didn't contour because I'm gonna wash this off as I'm finished. I don't like the pigment, like the paint. Like, honestly guys, I won't lie, on my lids it looks super great, but my eyebrows are a hell no. Like, I just want to take this off. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, this is cruelty free.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my social media. The links are always in the description bar down below. And just because I feel bougie, let me just you know what is it? Ashes? No, something. I don't remember the thing, but whatever. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm a bougie bitch. Oh, mama. Bye guys. I fucked it up completely. I don't know what it was. I don't know where to practice, but like I swear feel like, what if I go white? I can try that. Ooh, I got new skin color. Oh my god. I'm not being racist and I'm not doing white face, guys. I literally just stupid. Just stupid. Booga 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 booga. Lol. LMFAO. Magkasi daw. Mapaplay it. Kung ano, you guys know that, I don't know. Aha, James Charles. Flashback memory. I'm flashback memory right now. And I'm gonna make my eyebrows even darker. Ooh, they look cute. No, she doesn't. I am James Charles, and I'm here to demand food. Mina, hey, Mina fight over man, fight over me, man, I need some problem. Some left idiot to have them, say little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, this is red eyes, these is yellow shoes. I don't play fighting games, I just buy fucking fool. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social media links. The links are always in the description bar down below. If you guys want to see more crazy videos like this, please leave a comment down below.
I wouldn't recommend you guys doing this at home. Like, it's difficult. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. I didn't know what I was doing and I still fucking did it. But I'm just a crazy bitch. So guys, if you guys want to do it and tag me, whatever. Just do your most craziest makeup. Like, do something you've never done before. Ooh, bitch. It spilled everywhere. What the fuck? Oh my god. Anyways guys, bye. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. Belly fat, belly markup. I just messed up my pants with fucking paint. I know my mama cuss my ass. Yes, she want cuss my fucking ass because I like do the dirty clothes. I need for a fucking beard. Anyways guys, I just washed off my face. So with that said guys, don't forget to go follow me on all my social media platforms. The links are always in the description bar, and there's no better beautiful than your own beautiful, guys. So yeah, I just washed off my face. I'm looking clean as fuck. And with that said, thank you for watching my little runners. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was being a clown. And yeah, don't try to do your makeup with paint. It doesn't end out well. It doesn't turn out well. So bye my little runners. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Okay guys, so click on any one of these videos right now to catch up.